Fast food, somewhat a staple in modern society's diet. But is it really that bad? For today, I will only be eating fast food. And for a guy that doesn't really eat fast food very often, I'm not too sure how I feel about this. I think it's fair to say I'll be consuming quite a few calories today. Let's get it. I've just been editing this video and it does not look like I've been in the gym one bit. Like, I don't look any different, but I definitely did. I promise. No, really, I did. Workout done, let's go and get some breakfast. Is it just me that thinks the UK has such a bad selection when it comes to fast food for breakfast? An unpopular opinion here, McDonald's breakfast is absolutely shit. Just do not get the hype. Let me know in the comments whether you like it or not, because I am not a fan. Anyway, I opted for a Greg's breakfast. You cannot go wrong. Sausage baguette. There's people like driving past me in this car park, and I've got the camera and someone's parked right in front of me right there. That's embarrassing. But there's people driving around this car park and they're just looking at me when I'm driving past. I've got a camera set up. Breakfast done. Greg's top. Right now I am trying to cut body fat, so today seems really counterproductive. Subscribe down below because I am ruining my fitness goals, making great YouTube videos. He says with his 160 subscribers. Can I get a Big Mac meal, please?
Medium or large?
Medium, please, with a Fanta.
We haven't got any Fanta at the minute, I'm afraid.
And just some ketchup. Yeah, that's it.
Next one when you're ready.
Thank you very much. Didn't even have Fanta, fuming. But we've got our dinner, our lunch. As you'll have heard, I've got a Big Mac meal and new cheese dipper things. Got ketchup. It's just not the same, is it, as McDonald's ketchup. McDonald's do really good ketchup. But I'm gonna try one of these for the first time. Wow. They are garlicky. Do people eat like this every day? Surely not. Like, this is like, I very rarely eat fast food. It's literally when I'm just like out and about or I'm on the go. I'll grab something if I haven't got time. But like surely, I just don't know. I don't know. I think there probably will be. I just don't understand how, but, you know. Chips are absolutely, like, they're so dead. How dead them chips are. Bit so folks, you know what I mean? Dead chips. This is probably one of the best Big Macs I've ever had. Honestly, if you've not tried McDonald's in Switzerland, best I've ever had. Drake reference. I won't be kissing any girls tonight with this garlicness. Not that I speak to women anyway. No, I'm not scared of them. I'm terrified. You know what I'll be interested to see is, in my YouTube videos, when I'm looking at like the analytics, people seem to skip through when I'm eating. Like, if I decided to stop like putting in when I'm eating in my videos, and because people might skip through it until like further on, so I'm interested to see how this will work. That's lunch done. Oh man, that was really nice, but damn. that's lunch done. See you at dinner. I really want to do a video like this in America, but I can't at the moment with stuff and whatnot, so please subscribe. Thanks. It has been a while since I had my lunch. I've really just been sat editing this video already so I can get it out. I've decided to push the boat out tonight. For my final meal, I'm going to have a Domino's. The calories I'll have consumed today will be absolutely crazy. But if you want to see me attempt the 10,000 calorie challenge, then comment the word calorie. If you comment the word calorie, hopefully enough people will do so and I will smash the 10,000 calorie challenge. If you know me, you know I love my good old margarita. It is the goat. You cannot come close to just a cheese and tomato pizza. Bellissimo. Also got my Fanta. You know that, you know that. Let's have this first bite. Get that. I'm gonna watch something on my Mac while I eat. While I watch YouTube, while I eat. You can watch me eat on YouTube while I'm watching YouTube. Oh. Shit. I ate that really quick. I feel sick. That ended up being a lot harder than I expected. That was a lot to take down. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in another video.